Welcome to the Learn C++ Game Development course on udemy.com. My name is Luca and I'll be your instructor. In this course, you're going to learn how to create a 2D game from scratch using the programming language C++ and a library named SFML, which stands for Simple and Fast Multimedia Library. In order to take this course, you have to have basic programming knowledge. Basic meaning that if this is your first contact with a programming language, then this course is not for you. You need to have an understanding about variables, code flow, and how to handle code flow with if statements and loops, and you also have to know what objects are and how to use functions. And the other requirement is a Windows XP or newer system, because we'll be using a software named Visual C++ Express, which is Windows only. This course is going to be a series of videos where I'll be showing and explaining how to do everything, and along the videos are going to be zip files of the project so you can download it and open up in your software to see how it looks like. The course is going to progress from preparing your desktop, so installing the Visual C++ Express and the library, to creating the window and how the basic game loop looks. Then we're going to learn how to work with events, with keyboard and mouse events, and after that we're going to learn rendering and drawing to the window. So we're going to draw simple shapes, images, and then fonts or text. We're also going to learn how to play sound and music. After we know the basics of game development, we're going to start with game mechanics. So we're going to learn how to put events, rendering, and sound together to actually make a game. And at the end, we're going to create our first game, Pong, which you probably already know. And if the feedback is going to be good, then there's going to be another lesson where we're going to create another more complex game. Now, this is all for the introduction, and I hope I'll see you in the course. Thanks for listening.